Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and disconnecting the Rk61. This prevents input noise and firmware confusion. Once done, find FN plus ESC on the left and the tiny reset pinhole near the USB-C. Make sure you have a small tool like a paperclip available and keep the keyboard on a flat surface. You'll press FN plus ESC first to enter the keyboard's boot mode, then use the pinhole if the soft reset doesn't respond. This sequence helps ensure a controlled reset. You hold FN plus ESC for about 5 to 8 seconds until LEDs flash or change. That soft reset clears keymap caches without touching firmware. If that fails, power off and use a paperclip in the reset pinhole for 3 to 5 seconds while reconnecting power. This forces a hardware reset. Make sure to watch the LED patterns. Cycling indicates reboot, a steady light indicates ready, and off may mean no power or a failed attempt. If unsure, repeat once. You now reconnect the Rk61 and test each key in the default layout to confirm the reset worked. Once done, repair Bluetooth or select wired mode and save a profile if your firmware supports it. This prevents unexpected layout changes. If keys remain unresponsive or LEDs behave oddly, make sure cables and battery are good. Then try reflashing firmware using the vendor tool. If problems persist, contact the vendor or seller for warranty support. Don't force hardware modifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.